Welcome to my channel Hardest Maths. It's me Binesh Kumar Mandal, and today we will solve one of the very interesting questions as you can see here. So the question is, in the given figure AD sides is equal to BC sides. AD sides is equal to BC sides. AB sides is equal to AC sides, and it is asked to find x. Find the value of this x. So if you wanna try these questions, then just pause the video, give it for a try. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's see how to solve these questions. First of all, we will construct here an equilateral triangle. We will construct an equilateral triangle. So first of all, I have constructed here an equilateral triangle. So first of all, I have constructed equilateral triangle AEC. So triangle AEC is an equilateral triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. So its all sides will be equal. So this sides is equal to this sides is equal to this sides. Its all sides becomes equal, because this is an equilateral triangle. So, and this angle will be of 60 degree. This angles also will be of 60 degree, and this whole angles also will be of 60 degree, because each angles of equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. And then we join these 2 points D and E. Then we join these 2 points D and E. So let's join it. Okay, now we can see the triangle. Now just see in the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because its 2 sides equal. The sides AB and AC are equal. The sides AB and AC are equal, so this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. So, and its one angle is of 100 degree. This whole angle is of 100 degree. It is given in the questions that this angle is of 100 degree. So these angles and these angles and this both angles will be of 40 degree and 40 degree. These both angles will be of 40 degree, because as we know that the sum of these 3 angles will be of 180. This angle is already given here 100 degree, and the sum of these 2 angles should be of 80 degree, because 100 plus 80 means 180. So sum of these 2 angles should be of 80 degree, and these 2 angles are equal because the base angles of isosceles triangles should be equal. So these angles will be of 40 degree, and this angles will be of 40 degree. This much is of 40 degree, and this whole angle is of 60 degree, because I have already told you that this is a equilateral triangle. So now this whole angle was 100 degree, and this angle is of 60 degree. So the remaining angle, these angles will be of 40 degree. This whole angle was of 100 degree, and this angle is of 60 degree. This angle is of 60 degree. So the remaining angles will be of 40 degree. So these angles will be of 40 degree. Now we can see the triangle ADE and triangle ABC. These 2 triangles are congruent. So triangle ADE and triangle ABC, these 2 triangles are congruent. Triangle ADE is congruent with triangle ABC. I will tell you that how these 2 triangles becomes congruent. So let's see in these 2 triangles, triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So in these 2 triangles, the sides AD is equal with the sides BC in another triangle, and the angle DAE is equal with the angle BCA in other triangle. and the sides AE is equal with the sides AC in other triangle. So the sides AD is equal to sides BC, and this angle is equal to this angle, means angle DAE is equal to angle BCA, and the sides AE is equal to AC. So sides, angle, sides. So side, angle, side. So these two triangles becomes congruent by sides, angle, side axiom. Side, angle, side axiom. So by this axiom, these two triangles becomes congruent. And if these two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding angles of these two triangles are equal or will be equal. So as we can see the corresponding angles of these two triangles. So corresponding angles of the sides AC is 40 degree. Corresponding angles of the sides AC is 40 degree. So the corresponding angles of sides AE also will be a 40 degree. So these angles also will be a 40 degree, because as we know that the corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. And then we can see in the triangle ABC that the corresponding angles of sides BC is of 100 degree. The corresponding angles of sides BC is 100 degree. So the corresponding angles of the sides AD also will be of 100 degree. So this angles also becomes 100 degree. Because as we know that the corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. So now as you can see the triangle ADE becomes an isosceles triangle. Triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle because its base angles becomes equal. As you can see, this angle is 40 degree and this whole angle is a 40 degree. So in this triangle, these two angles is of 40 degree. So it means the base angles of this triangle are equal. The base angles of these triangles are equal. So it means this triangle is isosceles. This triangle is an isosceles triangle. So if the triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle, it means its sides, this sides is equal to, we do have this sides. These two sides also will be equal. Now we can see the triangle DEC. Triangle DEC also becomes isosceles triangle. Triangle DEC also becomes an isosceles triangle because its two sides equal. Its two sides are equal. The sides DE and EC are equal. So as you can write here, we can write here the triangle DEC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles. Now in triangle DEC, we can see this whole angles is of 160 degree because 100 plus 60 means 160. So this whole angle is of 160, and these angles and these angles will have of equal value because this is an isosceles triangle, this is an isosceles triangle, and as we know that the base of an isosceles triangles are equal. So these two angles will have equal value. It means if we let these angles as A, then these angles also will be of A. So now we can calculate these angles A. Now see in the triangle DEC, in triangle DEC, sum of its all angles will be of 180 degree because as we know that the sum of angles of triangle is of 180 degree. So A plus 160 degree is equal to 180 degree. It means 2A plus 160 degree is equal to 180 degree, or 2A is equal to 180 degree minus 160 degree. So 2A is equal to, it becomes 20 degree, or A is equal to, if we define here, then this is of 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 degree. So it means these both angles are of 10 degree. These both angles are of 10 degree, so we can write here that these two angles are of 10 degree. This angle is also of 10 degree and this angle is also of 10 degree. These both angles are of 10 degree. This angle is also 10 degree and this angle is also 10 degree. Now we can see the triangle AEC. I have already told you in the beginning that the triangle AEC is an equilateral triangle. I have already told you in the beginning that the triangle AEC is an equilateral triangle. So its all angles will be of 60 degree. So these two angles are of 60 degree and these angles also will be of 60 degree. This angles also will be of 60 degree. So if we see these angles, then in these angles we have the angles here. One angle is of 40 degree, other angle is of x degree, and the next one is of 10 degree, because we have already just now we have calculated these angles. This angle is of 10 degree, this angle is of 40 degree, and this angle is x. So sum of these all angles is equal to, we can write here 60 degree. So we are going to write here that the x degree plus 40 degree plus 10 degree is equal to 60 degree, because this angles is one of the angles of equilateral triangle. So angles of equilateral triangles is of 60 degree, therefore its sums become 60. So x is equal to, now we can calculate here that 60 degree minus 40 plus 10 means it's a 50. So 60 degree minus 50 degree means x is equal to, it's a 10 degree. So this is our final answer. So in this way we can find the value of x. I hope you all guys have enjoyed this videos. If you like this video, then like it, comment down below and share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.